Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a petal swirl matrix, which is a 3D polar flower stack using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So, NumPy is used for numerical calculations and handling arrays, and matplotlib.pyplot is used for creating visual plots 2D and 3D, and Access 3D, which is used and is necessary for 3D plotting with matplotlib. And now we'll define the petal shape function. So here, petal shape k and theta, this function generates a petal shape for the pattern based on the frequency parameter k and the angle theta. So it returns the radial distance as a function of k and theta, which is sinusoidal oscillation. So now we'll define parameters and generate grids. So here k values creates an array of 20 values ranging from 2 to 7 for the frequency parameter k, and theta here creates an array of 400 equally spaced values for the angle theta from 0 to 2 pi, and mesh grid creates a 2D grid of coordinates for theta and k that will be used to evaluate the petal shape function over all combinations. Now we'll generate the radial distance r. So here r uses the petal shape function to calculate the radial distance for each k and theta pair. So this produces the petal-like oscillations for different values of k, and now we'll convert to Cartesian coordinates. So here x and y convert the polar coordinates r and theta to Cartesian coordinate, which is x is equals to r cos theta and y is equals to r sin theta, and z sets the z coordinate to the k values, so each petal is positioned at a different height based on k. And now we'll create the 3D plot. Here, figure creates a new figure with a size of 6 into 6 inches and AX adds a 3D subplot to the figure for plotting the surface. Now we'll set up the plot aesthetics like face color, plot map and background color. So ax.set face color sets the background color to the plot to black and plot surface plots the surface with cmap a spring-like color for map surface coloring, and edge color removes the edges of the surface grid, and alpha sets the surface slightly transparent. And now we'll add the title and customize axis. So here we can see a petal swirl matrix. So thanks for watching this video.